What if the future of driving isn't louder, faster, or more aggressive? What if the future is calmer, cleaner, and more intentional? Before anything else, it's important to be clear. What you're seeing is not a real production vehicle. This is a conceptual design vision, an exploration of what BMW's electric future could look like in the year 2040. This is the BMW Vision Neue Klasse EV 2040. And instead of trying to shock you, it tries to make sense. For decades, BMW has built its identity around one idea: the connection between driver and machine. Not noise, not drama, but balance. The electric future challenges that balance. When engines disappear and sound fades away, emotion has to come from somewhere else. Design becomes the voice. Motion becomes the language. This concept is BMW asking a simple but powerful question. How do you preserve driving feel in a silent world? At first glance, the design feels calm, almost restrained, and that's not an accident. The surfaces are smooth, uninterrupted, and deliberate. There's no excess aggression, no sharp angles fighting for attention. Every line feels like it has a purpose. Instead of forcing airflow, the body guides it. Instead of shouting speed, it suggests efficiency. This isn't a car trying to dominate the road, it's a car designed to move with it. The stance is balanced. Low enough to feel planted, but not intimidating. Wide enough to feel stable, but not heavy. It feels like something designed by engineers who value control over chaos. BMW's vision here suggests that future performance won't be about intimidation. It will be about confidence. Electric power changes the meaning of speed. Acceleration no longer builds, it arrives instantly. In this concept, that instant response isn't imagined as violent or unpredictable. It's imagined as smooth, linear, reassuring. Speed becomes something you trust, not something that surprises you. The kind of performance that feels precise rather than overwhelming. This isn't about adrenaline spikes. It's about flow. Inside the cabin, the philosophy continues. The interior doesn't overwhelm you with screens or information. It doesn't try to impress through complexity. Instead, it feels quiet, focused, intentional. Information appears only when it's needed. Controls feel intuitive rather than flashy. The space feels open, calm, and centered around the driver. BMW imagines a future where technology doesn't demand attention. It supports the experience quietly in the background. In a world filled with notifications, alerts, and constant stimulation, this concept suggests that true luxury might be clarity. The driver doesn't fight the car, they collaborate with it. Technology in this vision fades into the background. Sensors, software, and electric systems work invisibly together, not to replace the driver, but to sharpen their connection to the road. This isn't a future where the car drives you. It's a future where the car understands you. Every decision in this design feels deliberate. Every element feels like it exists for a reason. There's confidence in restraint, confidence in simplicity, confidence in knowing what to leave out. The BMW Vision Neue Klasse EV 2040 isn't trying to predict the future perfectly. It's exploring a direction where performance doesn't rely on noise, where speed doesn't need aggression, where emotion comes from balance and control. This concept suggests that the electric era doesn't have to erase identity. It can refine it. BMW isn't abandoning its past here, it's translating it. The connection between driver and machine doesn't disappear when the engine goes silent. It evolves, design becomes more important, feel becomes more subtle, emotion becomes quieter but deeper. This vision imagines a future where driving feels thoughtful rather than chaotic, where performance feels confident rather than overwhelming, where speed feels precise rather than reckless. And maybe that's what the next era of driving is really about. Not being louder than everything else, but being clear about what matters. So here's the real question. If this is the direction BMW takes into the electric future, would you want to drive it? Do you imagine the future of performance as calm and controlled? Or do you still want it loud and aggressive? Because the future of cars won't be decided by technology alone. It will be decided by what drivers choose to feel.